Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to the class on English literature. We have completed Act 4 Scene 1, and today we are beginning Act 4 Scene 2. This is a short scene where we will see how Portia gets the ring from Bassanio. So let's go through the scene. Scene 2 is taking place in Venice Street, where we have Portia and Nerissa, and they have disguised as before. Portia inquire means find out the Jew's house out, which means find out the house of Jew Shylock, give him this deed and give him this particular legal document and let him sign it. So find out the house of Shylock and show him this particular legal document and get the signature of him. We will await tonight, which means we'll travel tonight and be a day before our husband's home, and we will reach there before our husband's return. This deed, which means this legal document, will be well welcome to Lawrence, which means Lawrence will be very happy to see this particular legal document. So this is what Portia tells Nerissa: to find out the house of Shylock, let him see the legal document and let him sign it. And we will travel tonight to Belmont, and we will be there before her husband's return. And this deed, this legal document will make Lorenzo very, very happy. Now we have the entry of Graziano. Remember, Graziano has come here. Graziano was here sent by our Bassanio to give the ring to Portia. Graziano, what does he tell here? Fair sir, you are well overtaken, which means I am very happy that I have overtaken you. My lord Bassanio, upon more advice, which means after considering so much, hath sent you here this ring, and that means wishes and doth entreat your company at dinner. So Graziano tells very clearly to Portia that I am very happy that I have overtaken you, which means I have reached to you, and my lord Bassanio, which means Bassanio, after much thinking or consideration, has sent you this ring, and entreat means inviting you for the dinner. Portia, that cannot be, which means I cannot come for the dinner. His ring I do accept most thankfully. So I cannot come for the dinner because I have to travel tonight, but I happily accept the ring that is given by him. And so I pray you tell him furthermore, I pray you show my youth old Shylock's house. So I am asking you to show me the house of Shylock. Graziano, that will add, which means I will show you the house of Shylock. So Nerissa asked him, sir, I would speak with you, which means telling Portia, I want to speak with you. And Portia said, and asking her, I will see if I can get my husband's ring, which I did make him swear to keep forever. So let me try, Nerissa is telling Portia, let me try if I can get the ring from my husband, which I have told him to keep forever. Portia told Nerissa, thou mayest, means you may try, I warrant. I give my permission and you can try. We shall have all the swearing that they did give the ring away to men, but we will outface them. Outface means oppose them and outswear them too. It means even if they tell that they have given the excuse given by Bassanio will be that I have given this ring to some men, but we will oppose them, we will outswear them, and we let's see what happens there. Away, make haste means be fast. Thou knowest means you will know where I will be. Tarry means waiting for you. So you know where I will be waiting for you. So Portia and Nerissa already know the excuse that will be given by their husbands. Their husbands will tell that we have given this ring to some men, the judge and the clerk. But Portia tells here, we'll outface them, we'll oppose them, and we'll outswear them. And let's see what happens here. So she told Nerissa, make fast, do fast, and you know where I will be waiting for you. Nerissa, come good sir, will you show me to this house? Which means will you able to show me the house of Shylock. So that is scene 2 of Act 4. With this we are completing the syllabus of class 10. I hope you have understood the explanation. Go through the chapter, go through the textbook, and if there is any part that you have not clear with it, you can ask me. I will be happy to clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you.